approach. Please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seatbacks in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets. Window shades open, and your tray tables and footrests stowed.
Mga kaibigan, ipasyal ko kayo sa loob ng Ninoy Aquino International Airport sa kanilang departure area at ang kanilang arrival area. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang flight ng Philippine Airlines galing Vancouver, Canada to Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Manila, Philippines. So sit back and relax. So guys, dito ko sisimula ng aking kwento sa departure area. Andito na po ngayon sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Papasok na ko sa immigration, so mag-final boarding ako, mag-final security check ako din. See you later lang, see you sa loob. Ipasal ko kayo sa loob sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Lagpas ko lang sa immigration, sa final check up, final security. So madali lang yung sa immigration, kasi separate ang Philippine passport at saka foreign passport. So fortunately naka-Canadian passport tayo, so dalawa lang yata yung nakapila doon. So ang doon ang nakapila sa Philippine passport is sobrang dami, parang more than 200 pa sa ang haba ng pila. Sa foreign passport is dalawa lang, ako ang pangatlo. So mabilis na din anim ang immigration ang assess sa atin.
Final call for boarding. Final call for boarding for the last remaining passengers. Last remaining passengers on Philippine Airlines flight PR209 bound for Melbourne. Please board the aircraft now through gate S2. This is your final call. All aboard, please.
Hindi naman siya as in malaki ang Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Parang congested siya sa sobrang daming tao. Parang wala ng space. Pero yung hallway going to the gate, parang medyo okay din. Maluwang siya.
Thank you for waiting for the Philippine Airlines flight PR422 Airways flight MH584 for Tokyo, Manila is now accepting passengers with group letter E. Once again, Philippine Airlines flight PR422 bound for Tokyo, Manila is now accepting passengers with group letters B and E.
Final call for boarding. Final call for boarding for the last remaining passengers. Last remaining passengers on Philippine Airlines flight PR209 bound for Melbourne. Please board the aircraft now through gate S2. This is your final call. All aboard, please.
Ang liliit ng terminal gate. Very congested, ang daming pasahero, parang nagsiksikan sila. Nagsiksikan kami dito sa maliit na space. As in maliit siya. Hindi siya gaano ka laki. It's not that impressive.
Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
I know, I feel bad. I didn't get a picture with him before I left.
At ito naman ang departure area sa Vancouver, Canada, going to Philippines, flight Philippine Airlines.
Philippine Airlines flight. Before we depart, we want to let you know how much we care about your safety. This is inspired by everyone in the country for the safety of everyone in this flight.
Before settling down, ensure all carry-on items are securely stowed in the overhead compartment and small heavy items under the seat. And also ensure that all aisles and exits are clear of any items.
Fasten your seatbelt throughout the flight, especially during takeoff and landing.
Fasten your seatbelt, insert the middle end into the buckle until you feel it ready. Right then, pull the loose end of the strap. Release your seatbelt, insert the buckle, and pull free end.
Also, please fasten your seatbelt over your blanket so our crew can easily see that you're safely strapped.
We've started our initial approach. Please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat backs in upright position. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing in a few minutes. Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened.